Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing our January Ipsy bag unbagging. I'm really excited to get into it this month and see what I got. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So we're going to be opening this Ipsy bag. If you don't know what Ipsy is, it's a $10 a month subscription where you get 5 any sizes, sometimes full size makeup products, and it comes every month. And I absolutely love it. I think it's an amazing deal because you get some really great products. You can test out different products. It helps to build up your collection if you don't have a lot of makeup. I love getting my Ipsy bag in the mail every month. It's like getting a little gift every month, and it's really something to look forward to. So if you aren't subscribed to Ipsy, you definitely should subscribe. Let's go ahead and see what we got this month. So as always, it came in the little pink envelope that it always comes in. Ooh, this month's bag is really cute. Honestly, it kind of reminds me of like a sporty bag, like something that you could take to the gym. It has like this little mesh on it and then yellow and pink stripes down the center. So that's really cute. I like this bag a lot. Then we open it up and the first thing we got in the bag is this. And this is a charcoal wash off mask. 15-minute facial therapy, deep cleansing, mud-based formula, unclogs pores, and lifts away impurities for all skin types. So I'm pretty excited to get this in the bag. I do like receiving makeup in the bag better than skincare, and I have said that on my profile before, but it's okay to get something like this. I think I could definitely get some use out of it and see if it really makes a difference for my skin. The next thing that we got in the bag is this, and this is the Pretty Woman brand, and it is a nail polish. So that's what the box looks like. Oh, okay. This is a very bright blue. I was not expecting that at all. The name of this shade is Johnny's Angels. Okay, well I guess that makes sense for it to be blue since it's angels, you know. I really like getting nail polishes in my subscription bags. I love doing my nails. I don't really get them done in a salon. I do them myself. So I can definitely get some use out of this, and it's a really good shade for the spring. So I'm looking forward to using that. The next thing in the bag is this. Okay, so I am really excited about this product because it is the Balm Mary Luminizer Illuminator. And if you don't know what this is, it's an extremely famous highlighter. It's one of the original highlighters, I believe, before highlighting really became popular. And I actually have not tried this one out. So I'm really excited to test it out and see what all the hype is about. And that's what it looks like. Honestly, I don't really think it looks that great. I have a lot of highlighters. Like the highlighter I'm wearing right now is blinding. And I think this is more of a natural highlight, which if that's something that you like, I think it'll be really good. But I like to be blinding the haters. So we will test that out and see if I can make it work. The next thing in the bag is this, and this is from Trust Fund Beauty, and it says it's a Lipgasm exfoliant lip scrub. So that's really nice to see. It's good for around this time of the year, but unfortunately I do have a lot of lip scrubs and lip products already. So I am kind of disappointed, especially because we already got the mud mask, and I kind of like to get makeup in my subscription bags better than skincare. So to have 2 skincare products in the bag is a little disappointing, but it's nothing terrible. I'm still excited to use it, and I'll still get use out of it. I just wish that they would have included more makeup products in this month's bag. And the last thing in the bag is this, and I am super excited to try this. This is the NYX Lippy Lingerie, and I have literally wanting to try these for forever, maybe like 2 years now, I think. But for some reason, every time I go into Ulta, I pick one up, and then I just end up putting it back before I check out. I don't know why. It's just something that I can't like bite the bullet and buy. You know what I mean? So I'm really excited that I got it in this subscription so I can go ahead and test it out and see if I like it or not and see if it's really worth the money. So this is what the applicator looks like. And that's a swatch of it. It's a really pretty nude. My only concern is that it's going to be a little too nude on me and it's going to wash me out, because I have that trouble a lot with really nude lipsticks. I have to wear more of a peachy, pinky, or brown nude. I can't just do like a straight up nude, or else I look like I have concealer lips. So that will definitely be interesting to try out. I'll give it a try, and if it doesn't look right on me, I'll just pass it on to my sister or one of my friends. So I will definitely try this out and see how I like it. And that completes this month's Ipsy bag unbagging. Let me know down in the comments if you guys are subscribed to Ipsy and if you liked this month's bag, or if you were disappointed, or a little mix of both. Definitely be sure to let me know, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave my channel. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!